Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the second conditional, one of the most useful grammar structures in English when you're talking about imaginary or unreal situations. Let's get started. We use the second conditional to talk about unreal or imaginary situations in the present or future. For example, if I had $1 million, I would travel the world. This is not real, I don't have $1 million, but I'm imagining it. The second conditional has two parts, if plus past simple, would plus base verb. Example, if I were rich, I would buy a big house. Note, we often use were instead of was for all subjects in formal English. So we say, if I were you, not was. More examples. If she studied more, she would pass the exam. If I had wings, I would fly to school. If we lived in Paris, we would eat croissants every day. If he didn't play video games all day, he would finish his homework. Remember, these are not real situations, just imaginary ones. Common mistakes to avoid. If I will go, I would be happy. If I went, I would be happy. Only use would in the second part of the sentence, not after, if. Now it's your turn. Finish this sentence in the comments. If I could go anywhere in the world, I would. So remember, use if plus past and would plus base verb. Use it for dreams, unreal situations, and imaginary ideas. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more fun grammar lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.